Imagine standing before Allah on the Day of Judgment and realizing you spent your life reciting His words without ever knowing what they meant. You memorized the sound but not the message. You prayed in Arabic but never tried to understand it. The Qur'an was revealed in Arabic, and without Arabic you are reading a miracle. Like it's a mystery. Every word, every letter, every harf in the Qur'an is placed with divine perfection. A miracle sent for all of humanity to experience, regardless of time or era. Unlike the other miracles given to the Prophet ﷺ, like the splitting of the moon or miracles given to previous prophets, the Qur'an alone was enough to make the companions' hearts unshakable, enough to move them to tears, to courage, to sacrifice. Every other miracle they witnessed, just a bonus. And yet, we have the same Qur'an in our hands, unchanged, and still treated like it's not enough. The Qur'an remains here, so that anyone who wants to witness a miracle can do so simply by learning Arabic. Yet, most of us live and die without ever tasting that miracle. So, let's dive into it. Love and in are translated as if in English. But do they really mean the same thing? What if I told you one speaks about what's possible and the other about what's impossible? Let's ponder upon this. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Yasin, if we willed, we could drown them, and none would respond to their cries, nor could they be saved. The word used here is in. It shows a possible condition. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could will something like this, but it is purely His mercy, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the next verse, except as a mercy from us and provision for a time. Every time you see in, it's a door left open, a chance, a warning, a mercy. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says the punishment of the hereafter is greater. Law kanu ya'lamun, if they only knew. The word used here is law. It shows an impossible condition. The punishment of the hell is so severe that no one could ever truly comprehend it. Even if they knew, they could never really know. It's not just unknown, it's unknowable. One letter, one word, one harf from Allah, and the entire meaning changes. Do you realize what you are missing? When you only read the translation, you are missing the sweetness of Allah's words. You are missing the miracle, the greatest gift ever given to humanity. And it's locked inside the Arabic of the Qur'an. Stop living without tasting it. Learn Arabic, understand the Qur'an, hold the miracle of the Prophet ﷺ brought, and never let it go. If this moved you, this is exactly what I teach. I run Arabic classes to help you unlock the Qur'an, strengthen your faith, and taste its sweetness. No matter where you are starting from, I even organize free Arabic sessions regularly, so you have no excuse to delay this journey. Subscribe to this channel for more Quranic insights, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram for daily Arabic gems, Quranic vocab and reminders. Links are in the description. Take the first step towards understanding Allah's words. Start today.